Hello friends, welcome to my channel Launchpad. In this video you are going to watch the video quality of DJI Mavic Mini. In first I have put some footages of customers who have bought DJI Mavic Mini recently. So first watch the footages, then you will going to watch the commercial footages from company DJI. So let's start the show.
It's clear to see from up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be